So I was chatting with a business mentor this morning, and she was very frank with me. I think there was a few F-bombs and S-bombs thrown around, and basically told me to stop overthinking stuff and just get out there and do stuff and actually record videos like what I'm doing now. But it made me sort of realise and think about what it is I'm in business for and who I'm trying to help. And really, it's to help give people more time, more money. It's as easy as that. And the thing that was standing in my way, and this is the thing that I'm in business to try to help get out of people's way, is that as a business owner, we try to take everything on ourselves, especially in smaller businesses. We think that we have to do everything. We're the ones who put the business together. We're the passion, the energy, and the power behind it. And so if there's something that needs to be done, we need to do it and we need to own it. And it was through that conversation I had this realization that that's actually not true. Yes, we're the passion, we're the driving force, etc., but we shouldn't be doing the work. And it made me realize that there's a tagline that's sitting right in front of what I do. And it's this, is that we need to think like an executive. And we need to get the people and our technology to do the work for us. This is how executives think. This is the world I've come from. This is the world I've been in for most of my career in big corporates and stuff, with lots of executive people around doing lots of things and talking about lots of things. But they don't actually do anything. What they do is empower and enable others to do things. And it's the same thing with technology. We should be empowering and enabling that to allow others to do things. So let's start thinking like an executive. Let's think like an executive as a business owner, right? Plan for the things that we need to do. Make sure we've got the right people, the right processes, and the right systems in place to deliver the outcomes we want. And what are those? More revenue. And hopefully that will translate into more profit. Why? So we can use that money to reinvest in the business, grow the business, and maybe actually pay ourselves a decent salary so that we can go out and do the things we love doing. We can have the lifestyle that we wanted when we actually started the business. So what are we waiting for?